marketing and outreach assistant at the co-op. I've been here for about 8 months now. And I'm going to show you today how to make a quiche. This is my great-grandmother's recipe. Usually I do her pie crust, but lately, since I've been so busy, I just do a store-bought pie crust, which is fine, and we sell those here at the store. And we sell a gluten-free option too, if you're interested in that, so that's cool. Quiches are great. They're so easy. It's so easy, it's not even funny. You can have them for breakfast, lunch, dinner. You can take them the next day, for your lunch. They heat up well. You can eat them cold. I mean, it's just amazing. And you can do all different types of flavors. Today we're going to do a bacon and cheese, but you can do a veggie version. You can do spinach and mushrooms. You can do, one of my favorites is steak, cheese, and grilled onions, which I call the Philly cheesesteak. And so just whatever you think of you would want in a quiche, you can put it in there. And any kind of cheese you want, your favorite cheese. Today I'm using Organic Valley, which is local, and 3 Cheese Italian, which is great. All the products are local. We sell them all in the store. Milk is whole milk, and when you choose your milk, don't skimp. I'm just saying use whole milk. Unless for some reason you have to use a 2%, but whole milk is the way to go. Eggs organic. We have bacon bits from the Keller Crafted Meats, smoked where the bacon ends, and so that's pretty much it. It's really simple. I start putting my cheese on the bottom of the pie crust. Just cover that, and how much just depends on how much cheese you want in it, really. So I like cheese, so I like to cover the bottom really well there. And then next you take whatever the rest of your flavors are going to be. This would be bacon, but if it was spinach and mushrooms, you would have sauteed those up and then throw them in. So that's the next step. Stick it. And next, the eggs. So I think this is a 9-inch pie shell. For this size, I use 8 eggs, and I mix in 1 cup of milk, whole milk. And when you're mixing, there's the cup, I can put 1 more egg in. So there's 8 eggs. You just want to whisk the eggs together. Don't, give them a real hard beat or anything. It's okay if they're a little, chunky's the correct word. But just get all the yellows broken up. Since we have bacon and it's kind of salty anyway, I'm not going to put any salt into it. You can if you want. Add some pepper if you want. So you just pour everything. And after you've baked it for approximately 45 minutes and let it rest 5 to 10 minutes, taste it.